Hey guys, today let's learn how to change the iPhone charging sound in iOS 17. So if you guys want to learn how to change your iPhone charging sounds on the new software update, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So all we want to do first is to go ahead and launch the Shortcuts application. So search for the Shortcuts application on your devices, and I want you to go ahead and launch it. Now from here, let's go over to automation, and let's tap on the plus icon right here. Now, I will have already a specific iPhone charging sound already set right here. But in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this and start from scratch. Let's go ahead and tap on new automation, and what I want you to do on here is to basically search for the battery options or the battery charger levels. So let's go ahead and scroll down until we see the option about our battery, and as we see, I have this option called charger. So let's tap on this, and what I want to do is to go ahead and tap on run immediately and is connected. So what this means is, as soon as you charge your phone and connect your phone to the charger, it's gonna play a specific sound. Now from here, let's tap on next. And what I want to do on here now is to choose a specific, and we want to go ahead and play as soon as we charge our devices. So we could actually choose from other sources. We could also choose from our music, and also other sources as well. But as far as I know, we could only choose music as of now big. We could also try other sources as well. So let's try our voice memos, and see if it's actually possible to choose that. Let's actually try our recording. Okay, let's also try, let's say file. So as you see, you can actually go ahead and run a file on here. So you can actually choose a specific file that you have. But basically, we are only limited to tests file. So we can actually tap on this. And let's tap on this again. And let's tap on this again over here. So as you see, we can actually choose again the files of over here and change the specific file to play. But if you want to go ahead and make this a little bit more easier, you can only go ahead and basically remove this option and choose the music option. So that, of course, in every charger device, it's gonna play a specific music that you have on your Apple Music library. Now tap on done and save this option once you're already ready. And that's all for this video. Think of us from watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.